This is Higgsfield, $100 a month to make AI images and videos. And I used it for months, but I don't use it anymore. I just cancelled it.
They told me to look real. Joke's on them. I'm not even a real person. An AI made me for less than $1.
Just look at him. He's not real. I made him with AI and this whole clip cost me just few pennies. I built my own AI tool that does everything Higgsfield did. Images, videos, lip sync, that is talking people like him for pennies. And here is the best part. Stick with me because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you the exact tool, the Claude skill and the script for free. You'll be able to install it yourself and start making these today. Let's go. So here is a big idea. This is Claude, the AI assistant you might already use. I added a small tool to it, a skill plus a little script behind it. And that turns Claude into pay-as-you-go studio. Watch what it can do. It makes images, it turns them into video, it even makes a real talking person with lip sync, with the lips matching. And the best part, it shows you the price before you make anything, the exact cost after. And it keeps a running total of everything you have spent, images, video, talking people, all in one place, all on your own account, paying just pennies. That's Higgsless. Now let me show you each piece properly. Two things in here are special, things you won't get anywhere else. One, that talking person you just saw. Two, a money feature that warns you before you spend too much. No paid app will ever do that. Mine does. Both are coming. First, let me show you how easy this is. Quick story. I paid for that Higgsfield app for months. It was good, but $100 a month, whether I made 2 videos or 200, same bill every time. And I build automations for a living. So I thought, why am I renting this? I'll just build it. So I did. I call it Higgsless. Same power, no subscription. Higgsless lives right inside Claude. No code. I just talk to it. Watch, let me ask for an image. Make me an image of a golden retriever in a tiny Superman costume on a rooftop at sunset and square image. And before it spends a single cent, it tells me the price, 4 cents, and asks, want me to make it? I say yes. A few seconds, done. 4 cents on my own account, no subscription running in the background. You see the price, you say go, you only pay for what you make. Now let's try 2 quick styles in my tool. So let me try the first. Make a sleek electric car on a coastal road, use the cinematic style. There you go, let me open. Awesome, so I can see a sleek electric car on a coastal road. And now it's time to go for the second style. So let me go and type in. Now a bottle of cold brew coffee with product style and dark background. Let me give yes. And there you go again. So let me go and see the image. Awesome. See this? Do you remember the one-click looks those paid apps had? They are in here too. I just say cinematic style or product style and it sets the whole look up. You pick the vibe, it does the rest. Now the fun part, the talking person. I want a person who looks at the camera and says a line for me. The kind of a video people pay a lot for. I describe who they are. I give it my words. Now let me provide this prompt and just proceed. Watch, 3 things at once. It makes the face, makes the voice from my words, then makes them actually speak it, lips matching. Same as before, it shows the price first and we say yes.
They told me to look real. Joke's on them. I'm not even a real person. An AI made me for less than $1.
Look at that. The lips match, the voice matches, a talking video start to finish under $1 on my own account. Want it sharper? I pick the high quality option and it tells me the price before I spend. My choice every time. Now let's try its premium. So let me give this prompt, make that again with high quality option. And finally, we got the premium video. Let me play it.
They told me to look real. Joke's on them. I'm not even a real person. An AI made me for less than $1.
That's awesome and better than the last video. If your jaw just dropped like mine did, here is the deal. I'm giving this away. Check out the link in the description. It's a public link and I'll send you the skill and the script for free. Stay till the end. I'll show you the easiest way to get it all set up. Now that money feature I promised, my favorite part. Quick question you might have. How is this so cheap? Here is the secret. All of this runs on a website called fal.ai. Think of it as a menu of AI models. The same models, the big $100 apps Higgsfield use behind the scenes. They just slap a subscription on top. So I cut out the middleman. You go and make a free fal.ai account, grab one key like a password, paste it into the tool once, and now you are using the same models directly, paying just a few cents each. Cheap is great, but cheap with no control is how you get a surprise bill. So Higgsless keeps a running total. I just ask, how much have I spent this month? And it tells me $4 versus the 100 I used to pay. And it knows my limit. If I get close, it stops and warns me before spending another cent. And here is what no paid app will ever tell you. If you start using it a lot and your spending climbs toward 100, it will actually say, at this point, a subscription would be cheaper for you. Because I'm not selling you anything, so it has no reason to lie. A tool that tells you when not to use it, and that's the whole point. Is every image perfect? No. Anyone who says their AI is perfect is selling you something, but the quality is really there. You pick the model and cheap drafts cost almost nothing. Try 10 versions, pay only for the one you love. That's the difference between renting an app and owning the whole thing. So let's add it up. With Higgsless, you get cheap images in one sentence on your own account, one-click styles, a talking person with real lip sync for under $1. A running total honest enough to tell you when to stop. Same power as a $100 app. Tiny cost and it's yours. So here is how to get everything and it's free. I have put a public link right in the description that takes you straight into my school community. No payment, no catch. Just click it and the whole thing is waiting for you. The Claude skill, Python script and a step-by-step setup so you can install it yourself today. Plus, you can ask me directly if you ever get stuck. So go to the link in the description and grab it. That's it. This is the kind of stuff I build every week. Simple automation that save you time and money. If that sounds good, hit subscribe. I'll see you inside the community.